Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video on a HubSpot landing page or blog. This is a powerful way to boost engagement on your content by adding visual elements that can explain your products, showcase testimonials, or simply make your pages more dynamic and interactive. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your marketing tools. Next, look at the left navigation bar and hover over the Content tab. This will expand a menu with several options for managing your website content. From this expanded menu, select either landing page or blog, depending on where you want to embed your video. Both options follow the same process, so choose whichever fits your current project. Now you'll see a list of your existing pages or posts. If you want to add a video to an existing page, simply click on its name to open the editor. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, click Create a Landing Page to build a new one from scratch. Once you're in the page editor, locate the specific area where you want your video to appear. Click to place your cursor in that spot. This ensures the video module gets inserted exactly where you need it. Look for the Add Module button or the plus icon, which allows you to insert new content blocks into your page. Click on it to see the available modules. From the list of modules that appears, find and click on Video or Video Module. This inserts a video player directly into your page layout. Now comes the important part, configuring your video source. In the video module settings, you'll see options for where your video is coming from. If you have a video file saved on your computer, click HubSpot Video and upload your file. MP4 format is recommended for the best compatibility. If you're embedding from a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, click the Embedded option and paste your video URL or embed code into the field provided. Once your video source is set, take a moment to adjust the settings. You can modify the width and height to fit your page design, decide whether the video should autoplay when visitors land on the page, and choose whether to show playback controls. These settings help you create the exact viewing experience you want. Before publishing, click the preview button to see how your video looks on different devices. This step is crucial because you want to ensure your video displays properly on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. Finally, when everything looks perfect, click Publish or Update to push your changes live. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.